change the font size of the official IRCTC website. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I will be guiding you through the steps of how you can change the font size of the official IRCTC website. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is open any web browser of your choice. So be it the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge or the Mozilla Firefox, you can open any web browser, and in the web browser you need to search for IRCTC. So simply search for IRCTC and hit the enter button. Now once you will search for IRCTC, you will see this website that says irctc.co.in. So this is the official IRCTC website, that's irctc.co.in. So you can simply click onto this first link and you will be landed onto this particular website. Now in order to start, you can click onto this OK button in order to dismiss the warning, and now you are in the official IRCTC website. Now in order to change the font size, that means you can choose to increase or decrease the font size. What you will need to do is use these buttons right here. So as you can see, this A minus button will decrease the font size or make it smaller like this, and if you will click onto this A plus sign, then it will increase the font size like this. So if you are having difficulties reading through the website, or you want the text to be bigger in the website, then you can simply increase it, or if you want to make the text size smaller, you can do so by clicking onto this minus button. So these minus and plus buttons are there for changing the font size in the official IRCTC website. So that was all for this simple and easy tutorial. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.